of buying a used or salvage car? With more than 125,000 vehicles for sale every day, Copart is a global leader in online car auctions. Gear up to bid by signing up as a basic or premier member today. Simply click the registration button on Copart.com to start the 3-step process. Fill out some basic information, select your payment type, and submit your government-issued ID. If you're a business, you'll also need to submit any business licenses you may have. That's it! You can start bidding as soon as your documents are approved. A basic membership gives you limited buying power, which you can increase by making a deposit or upgrading your membership to Premier. Premier is the best choice for members who want to bid on more than one vehicle at a time without making additional deposits. As a Copart Basic or Premier member, you can also visit one of our 200+ locations from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. to view vehicles in person. You're only a few clicks away from completing your registration. Start your Copart experience today.